We've been talking about how you can use shapes to create a base and then clip imagery down to that base. And to do that, we're using our shape tools. There are more shapes available to you, a whole library of custom shapes within Photoshop. So up to now, we've been using rectangle, ellipse, and so on, which you're just selecting, dragging out a shape, and then that becomes the base for what you clip to it. Doesn't matter what color it is, it's just going to have like a photo clip to it anyway. But to see the additional shapes, you would go here to your custom shape tool. And then you're looking up here in your options or your control bar area. And it's going to show you the shape that is currently selected. And there's a few of them here too. So you can click in and you can, grab any of these shapes, and then when you drag, it will draw that shape out. And these are shapes made out of anchor points and paths, so you can manipulate them and customize them to some extent. But just as a ready-made shape, they can work great as a clipping base. So what I'm going to do is go here to Window and then to Shapes. And this pulls, I'm going to snag this out of my dock there so that we can look at it more closely. This has sort of the default shapes that come in the latest versions of Photoshop. And there's not a ton of them, but if you go to the hamburger icon and you click on Legacy Shapes and More, then it will load this additional library into your shapes. And there are many, many more folders in the 2019 folder and beyond. And so you can dig through these for, ever and start to find, really hone in on what it is that you might want to find. But you could also type in like, cat, and it will bring something up. Or you could type in leaf, or butterfly, or like whatever representational image you're sort of hoping to find. And then as soon as you find it, you're gonna click and drag with it. Oops. I'll start on a new layer here. Go back to my custom shape tool, then click and drag, and it will bring out that in its own layer. And then let's say that you have some kind of a photo. Then, of course, just like anything else, clip it down, holding down Alt or Option, selecting between the two layers, and now I have photographic imagery clipped down to that shape there. So I have a few of them in here that I've already drawn out. So a tree, some of them are simple symbolic shapes, some of them are more complex, a hand, right? So again, as soon as you get the shape down, just clicking Option or Alt, hovering between the two to make that clipping mask, and it's as simple as that.